A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Matthew. When Jesus had come into the temple area, the chief priests and the elders of the people approached him as he was teaching and said, "By what authority are you doing these things? And who gave you this authority?" Jesus said to them in reply, "I shall ask you one question, and if you answer it for me, then I shall tell you by what authority I do these things. Where was John's baptism from? Was it of heavenly or of human origin?" They discussed this among themselves and said, "If we say of heavenly origin, he will say to us, 'Then why did you not believe him?' But if we say of human origin, we fear the crowd, for they all regard John as a prophet." So they said to Jesus in reply, "We do not know." He himself said to them, "Neither shall I tell you by what authority I do these things." The Gospel of the Lord. Good morning and good day to all of you. Have you been questioned? I guess you will say, "A lot, Father," especially if you're a doctor. A lot were asking questions from us. And I readily answered them. Most of the questions were pertaining to their health. Anong gamot ang iinumin? Ito nararamdaman ko. Anong dapat kong gawin? Well, with that kind of question, it's an affirming question. Affirming question that you are authority, that you are expert, that you are someone. And they acknowledge that because you're the right person to ask. Affirming question. But what if the question were questioning your authority, questioning your expertise, questioning who you are, questioning your practice? The Lord teaches something beautiful here. How do we handle questioning? When He was explaining to them, they questioned Him. But that question is more like an expression of their distaste, dislike. So they were asking, "By what authority are you doing these things?" Sino ka ba? Saan mo nakuha yan? Sino ka ba? And so, He didn't answer them directly, but He pointed to them an example. I will only answer your question if you will answer my question. And what is the question of Jesus about John? Is John's baptism of divine or human origin? And they know they were put in a dilemma, because if they said one thing, then someone will accuse them of another thing. And so they simply said, "We do not know." The lamest of all lame answer, "We do not know. We do not know." Jesus knew for a fact. They know because they were experts in the law. They were experts in distinguishing who is a true and false prophet. They know that Jesus is real, genuine, true. Jesus tells us, if you know the truth, stand up for the truth. Proclaim the truth. Tell the truth. Be a witness to the truth. Do not cover it with arrogance. Do not cover it with ignorance. What is the truth? If a man knows the truth, he is under obligation to tell it. And so today, let us be proclaimers of the truth.